Hello students, let's discuss the next kingdom, that is kingdom fungi. In kingdom fungi, the organisms are multicellular, eukaryotic. They don't have chlorophyll in them, so they can't prepare their food themselves. They are heterotrophic. And depending on the shape of the fungus is an example, fungi is the example of this kingdom. Depending on the shape of the fungus, there are three types of fungi. Thread-like fungi means bread mold. Example is bread mold. Second is club fungi. Example is mushroom. You might have seen mushroom. Yeah, you must have eaten also mushrooms. And third is sac fungi, that is yeast. So now we discuss the bread mold. Bread mold is a multicellular fungus and it is filamentous. So this fungus has filaments in its body. It is like this. It has filaments in this body. These filaments are known as hypha. There are several hypha in its body, and all the hypha collectively they form a mycelium. Now some of the hypha are underground. They grow like a root. They are known as rhizoids. And some of the hypha, they bear some sac-like structures that are called sporangium, inside which spores are present. So these hypha which bear sporangium are known as sporangiophores. Nutrition in fungi is heterotrophic, as I already told you. They are saprophytes. Saprophytes means they take their food from the dead and decaying material. Now, how they take food from the dead and decaying material? They grow on the rotten food. They have several microscopic hypha. So, they spread their hypha in the food. And that hyphas have cytoplasm in them. That cytoplasm releases enzymes on the food that digest the food. And that digested food is absorbed back in the hypha. So, in this way, they do nutrition. Respiration. They simply respire by the process of diffusion. The hyphas that are spread under the soil utilize the oxygen present between the soil particles. So they absorb oxygen from them and releases carbon dioxide. It means they have aerobic mode of respiration in them. They can also utilize the atmospheric oxygen. Simply they take oxygen and give out carbon dioxide. Now some of the fungi are useful and some are harmful also. Some fungi are useful as like yeast. Yeast is used for making bread. It is used in bakeries for making bread. It is used for making cakes fluffy. Some of the fungi causes diseases, like they may cause food poisoning also. So they may be harmful or useful. The name of some fungi are given here and the diseases caused by them is also given. You have to learn this.